Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update image SEO using TinyPNG and WebP conversion step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TinyPNG website. Click on the upload button to select your images. Choose the images you want to optimize for SEO. Once the images are uploaded, TinyPNG will begin compressing them automatically. Wait for the compression process to finish. After the compression is complete, download the optimized images to your computer. Now, use an image conversion tool to convert the downloaded images to WebP format. You may choose an online converter or a software application for this step. If using an online converter, upload your optimized images. Select the WebP format as your desired output. Initiate the conversion and wait for it to complete. Once converted, download the WebP images to your device. Next, access your website or content management system. Locate the area where you will upload the images. Make sure to replace the old images with the newly optimized WebP versions. In the image attributes, add relevant keywords to the alt attribute for better SEO. Ensure your image file names also contain these relevant keywords. Finally, preview your website to confirm that the images are displaying correctly. Monitor the performance of your pages using Google Search Console. This will help you track the impact of your updated image SEO efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.